I suppose he was fine. I'm joking. You know, I told him as...
No, it's not to the shed.
I know. The website, yes, so for potential new customers, it's good to have good pictures. Because actually this week I checked the video you made of me. I was thinking
Long.
you're shooting with your family.
But I have to keep it going, because if I during the lockdown I was hoping people stay home, watch my video.
Yes.
No, people want something new.
People will criticize me anyway. You know, I was reading the comments. Look, one of the reasons I'm telling you this, because I'm telling you, why do I use like frozen seafood? Because it's the safest way.
In the street, how can you use fresh? It's too dangerous.
It's dangerous.
And you send one person to hospital.
That's it. Oh, sorry, Danilo.
It's alright, it's alright. No, we don't.
They don't understand. It's like when you do the sofrito when you make paella. For example, the chicken one in Valencia, once they have the chicken and the beans like this, in the middle they put the garlic, and then you stop this fire around.
Non si può usare seafood fresco per strada, è troppo pericoloso. No, even you are very careful, it's too dangerous.
It's not. Even fish markets you go and they sell it as fresh. It's not fresh. They defrost it just for you to see.
Depends, but you recognize. But anyway, it's too dangerous. Even you are very careful. You send one person to hospital, you are finished. You are finished.
It's done. And I believe, you know, the end result is the
Doesn't work.
That's the big one. It's like when you do at home, let's say you want to do paella, you make chicken stock yourself. But how I'm going to do here 40 liters of stock.
Don't read the comment. These are people who don't have problem in their life. I don't know, they have nothing to do. They don't have kids, don't have money problem.
Yeah, I think I read someone saying, I won't even give it to my dog.
Forget about that. These people, you know, most of the time, you know what's the problem? They don't enjoy sex. So they discharge their frustration.
They need to discharge the energy.
Yes, they have to discharge the energy, giving better reviews.
Facebook. and the guy was explaining how it was with Facebook. And he was showing his graphs, his statistics.
Yes.
From this video, this month I made that. I made that. From that.
Facebook, I'm not on Facebook. You can also do the same on Facebook, but it's more complicated. I'm not
I know
on
it's
Facebook.
different. It's a different. But I made this video had 10,000 views, and I'm going to show you how much I made from this one, which is got more than 1 million. Man, if I was making.
It's very risky, because if you don't think, 1 month you eat lobster, then the month after you eat McDonald's. Very risky.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
Yeah, you always have to have a safe bet.
Yes.
Me, look, I was doing so well until because recession didn't affect. There was always tourists here.
To me, in the 3 months I made the average 20% less.
During the lockdown.
20% less.
Well, by me, I did nothing or 80% less.
80% less.
Yes. But you pay.
Yes.
I spoke to them and they say it's 150 per day. I say I pay, I don't care.
No, they gave us private room.
But listen, I was there for 1 week.
But before, no, after giving birth.
Yes, after giving
No, this yes.
Because for me, I thought we were going to be in a private room. But when I found out that we were 6, my pleasure.